Hey, hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to enable and run your OS in full screen in VirtualBox. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here my Ubuntu OS open in my VirtualBox, and if I just now go and click this full screen option, so as you can see here, my main OS window is not appearing in full screen. So to solve this problem, first thing what you need to do is you need to just close your currently running OS, okay? Just close it, okay? And just select the OS, okay? So I have selected Ubuntu OS over here. After selecting the OS, you will be having an option called as settings, okay? Just click it. And in the settings, you will be having an option called as display. And in the graphics controller, by default, it will be VM-SVGA. And let me just try to expand it, okay? So we'll be having this VM-SVGA. I need to just click it. And you need to select VBox SVGA, okay? Just select it. And you need to just click on OK. And now if you just go and click start. So as you can see here, my Ubuntu OS is running now, and if I just go and click the maximize option over here, so I'll be getting it in the full screen, and let me just type, it works perfectly over here. And at first it will take some time to load, okay? So just give some time for your full screen to load, okay? So now it's just perfect. I can just toggle between screens over here and work in full screen as well. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Mine's a programming channel. I've done many other videos in C, C++, Python, Java, SQL queries as well as 3D animation using Blender. So do check them, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.